Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the fastest 3 minutes in EdTech. My name is Stephen Mosley, and today I want to show you how you can filter the web for your students in your classroom. Now, this can come in handy if, for example, you're giving an online test and you want your students to just go to that test website and nowhere else. You don't want them to, for example, open up other tabs to search for an answer to the test. You want to know what they know, not what Google knows. And you may want to use it just to confine kids to certain websites you've checked out as being reputable. Let's say, for example, you're going to have the kids do some research on current events and you want them to go to just certain websites that feature current events. So let's go ahead and get started. So what you need to do first is you need to create that list of sites. So here on my Chromebook, I'm going to go ahead and open up a new Google Doc, and we're just going to simply type in the web addresses onto our Google Doc. So again, let's go back to the current events example. Let's say we just want the kids to go to CNN.com. Let's do the big three cable news networks, MSNBC.com, and then we'll do FoxNews.com. You want them to get all sides of an issue. So you've made your list of 3 sites that you want to confine the kids to when they do their research. Let's name our document, let's just call it research for their current event research. Now, what we need to do is save this as a TXT file, a text file. So right now we're in Google Docs. We're going to go to File, Download as Plain Text, TXT. So we're going to download it as plain text, download complete. So it's on our computer. Now let's go ahead and we fire up Netop. And you want to go to the More tab over here, the 3 dots in the upper right. Click on that. We want to configure filter web. So you're going to click on that. And we need to add a list. We've already got one here that keeps the kids to the productivity apps, the Google apps. So you click that plus button. And then the other plus button, we're going to add a new list. So click Add New. And the Chromebook is going to ask us for, well, which list? Where's the list? And we named our list Research. So we're going to click on our research list, click Open, and now you see our research list is now available for us to take a look at. So let's go ahead and we're just going to click that box. We only want students to go to those 3 websites, and then you're going to click Apply. Now let's go to one of our classes. So let's go to our classrooms, and I'm going to choose my test class here. So let's go test. Got my 2 students in there. It's a huge class. Now to activate our web filter, you're going to start the class and you go over here where the globe is. See where it says filter web. Going to click on that. And on the bottom, it says it's configured to allow students to access certain sites. So if we want to just verify that, let's click on it's off. Now it's on. Let's click on change. And you'll see that students will be confined only to those 3 sites. So it's all good. So we don't want to change anything. Cancel. So again, to activate it, make sure you click the globe, and students will only be able to go to those 3 sites. When they try to go somewhere else, they'll get a pop-up saying they're not able to go to that site. And then to discontinue the filter web, just simply click on it again, and students will be free to roam wherever they want on the internet. So again, really easy. You just upload your list, and don't forget to click on the filter web icon. Okay, I hope that helps. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good rest of your day.